Now let us run our first Python program. In our first Python program, we will print a full text message on screen such as hello world, and then we will try to add two different numbers like 5 plus 6, something like that. There are many different ways you can run a Python program. Here you can see in this screen, you can see 4 different Python editor where you can run your program. Although these editors look and feels are pretty different, but all of them are using the same Python interpreter in the backend. That is, whatever program, whatever Python code you write in this interpreter, they will produce the same output. They will be interpreted in a similar fashion and produce the same output. Now, among these 4 different editors, the top 2, that is this one and this one, are online. That is, in order to utilize these editor or in order to run your Python programming using these editors, you really do not need to install anything on your machine. And the bottom 2 are basically 2 offline editors which I have installed on my MacBook locally. Well, for this entire course, we are going to use an online editor called Google Colab, that is this first one, which is an extremely popular editor nowadays because of several reasons. We will learn about some of those reasons later, but not now. So let us run our first Python program in all these 4 different IDEs. So let us print some message. So let us type print, then inside 2 parentheses, and then inside a quotation symbol, let us type welcome to UAF. And in this Google Colab editor, if I just click this button, the Python code will run and it will print welcome to UAF, as you can see in here. So that's how you can run a Python program in a Google Colab editor. The next editor is again an online editor, but this is a programmies.com editor. This is another website. So let me copy paste the same line of code here also, and let me hit this run button, and as you can see, this editor is also producing the same welcome to UAF message. So these are the online editors. In offline editor also they will produce the same message. So once again, let me just paste this line over here, that is print welcome to UAF, and if I hit enter over here, it will print the same welcome to UAF message. The same way in this editor, I am printing the same print welcome to UAF, and here this is the run button, this green color triangle shape. So if I just hit it, you'll see that the editor is giving welcome to UAF as an output. So this is how you can print a message in Python. And not only printing a message, if you want to add 2 numbers or perform any type of arithmetic operation and get the result, that also you can do. For example, let's say I want to print the result for 3 plus 4. And as you can see, so, and let me run it in Google Colab. So it is printing, it is taking some time, and it printed the result of 3 plus 4, which is 7. So now again, let me copy this line of code and let me go to this programmies editor and paste it, run it, and this is also printing the same output, that is 7. And this Python terminal editor in my local machine, if I hit enter over here, it is also printing 7. And in this this editor also, if I just print the same message, print 3 plus 4 over here, it will also print, if I run it, it will also print 7. So as you can see, although Look and feel of all these editors are different, but they are all utilizing the same Python editor, Python interpreter, and producing the same output. For this course, we are going to use an online editor called Google Colab, which is this one, because this is extremely popular nowadays among the developer community. So congratulations, you have successfully run your first Python program.